Our group created a technology plan to create a one-to-one school district. We discussed 3 goals in our plan that would help in implementing this. The first goal was to update the infrastructure so it could handle the increase of technology within the schools. So this would be creating one-to-one devices for all students based on their grade level. To help with creating this goal, the strategies were to first update the fiber optics, which help with the Wi-Fi and the accessibility for all students. We would also need to train teachers so they understood how to problem solve and troubleshoot when issues arose, as well as what the technology was there for. We also had to create a timeline of when these things needed to be set and ready to go. This goal helps address the 21st century learning skills of collaboration, creativity, communication, and critical thinking, also known as the 4 C's. These are showing how students can be creative and collaborative and critical thinkers when they are first modeled by their teacher. And the goal of technology is to create effective communicators and how we use it to communicate our ideas and our questions and the curriculum that we're learning. The outcomes of this goal are that students increase their proficiency in technology, that they learn to collaborate with their peers and their teacher, and that they're able to critically think and figure out how to solve real-world problems. Our second goal was focused on support training for our teachers so that we could effectively implement our new program. The strategies were using Apple Teachers and PLCs, which are professional learning communities. Our devices for the school district were all Apple devices, so it made sense for teachers to use Apple for Education to go through and understand what was available on these devices that they could implement in the classroom. And also, again, modeling for students what it means to collaborate with their peers and how we can learn from other teachers. These 21st century learning skills were really being modeled by the teachers in this goal because the teachers are the ones that are creating the strong foundation so that students benefit from this new type of education. The outcomes of this goal are that the teacher becomes proficient, and then in turn, the students are able to reach proficiency in the use of technology, and again, addressing those 4 C's within the 21st century learning skills. And our third goal focuses on the communication. Ultimately, we want everyone involved in this education program to understand the why and what it is and how we are going to implement it. Some of these strategies that we would be using would be open forums for the community that allow others to ask questions and understand what exactly we are doing and how it's going to help the students. We would be providing professional development, again, for teachers, as well as collaboration for them to work on building their skills so that the students are benefiting. The ultimate goal within these 21st century skills is communication, learning how to effectively communicate as a teacher, how to help your students communicate with the technology, and also how to communicate with all of the stakeholders. And then the outcomes of this goal are that students would become global citizens with digital literacy, that they would know what technology can help them to achieve, and that they are able to go forth from their classroom into the real world and to address any issues that may arise.